Right. So you try to motivate all the youngsters who are sitting before you. If you are delivering, if you are addressing your lecture in the because if you have public speaking, then you can convince people, you can attract people, you can message people, you can guide people. These kind of activity we can do, right? Even also whatever we have ideas, whatever we have things in our mind, we can message to the people by our public speaking. It's mean that if you have public speaking, then you can connect yourself globally, universally, worldly. That is the great platform to connect, to show, to express our views, opinion publicly before people, audience. My dear sister and brothers, are you feeling? Are you making out my point?
Yes, sir.
So please try to gain, try to learn, develop, boost your public speaking, your communication skill. This is quite important, right, in our life. That's why we are conducting one by one, simultaneously, spontaneously, as much as possible, as far as possible, many kind of classes activity we are doing here. Ki how can we build up, how can we have full command to speak, to deliver lecture, to connect people. All right. So today we are going to learn, bring up actually public speaking. This is public speaking activity. Today class we gonna apply ki how can we improve our public speaking, spoken skill, communication, interaction to each other. This is the very great things ki how can we do conversation to each other, right? So in this class we are going to develop, improve our public speaking, right? Are you getting, guys?
Yes, sir.
So just I have mentioned you, I have told you, I have uttered you many times ki this is your munch. It might be that whenever you are going to attend, participate any program, function, all right, anywhere in the school, colleges, coaching center, lots of program, function, activity, rally, all right, are being done in our country. So people, educated people, philosopher, politician, leaders, public speaker, exactly, they are addressing people, they are attracting people, they are putting their delivery everywhere. Public speaking play an vital, significant, integral role in our life. If you are a businessman, you should have communication skill. If you are a customer, doctor, teacher, politician also need public speaking. Because if you have public speaking, then you can convince people, you can attract people, you can message people, you can guide people. These kind of activity we can do, right? Even also whatever we have ideas, whatever we have things in our mind, we can message to the people by our public speaking. It's mean that if you have public speaking, then you can connect yourself globally, universally, worldly. That is the great platform to connect, to show, to express our views, opinion publicly before people, audience. My dear sister and brothers, are you feeling? Are you making out my point?
Yes, sir.
So please try to gain, try to learn, develop, boost your public speaking, your communication skill. This is quite important, right, in our life. That's why we are conducting one by one, simultaneously, spontaneously, as much as possible, as far as possible, many kind of classes activity we are doing here. Ki how can we build up, how can we have full command to speak, to deliver lecture, to connect people, right, before 1,000 million of people sitting before you. Now you are addressing, you are talking, you are connecting, you are convincing them ki I am, what am I, how powerful am I, right? What kind of knowledge actually we have. You can attend, you can address lots of people, right? This kind of skill if you have, now you are a great person, you are a great personality in your life. Why? Because 1,000 million people before sitting you are addressing, you are convincing, you are talking to each other, right? These kind of, and next, second most important point which we should know that what is the benefit, huge benefit of public speaking. Lots of people sitting before you, people, they are waiting you. People, they want listen some important fact about you live. Whenever you are putting your lecture, when you are delivering, addressing people, they have many kind of expectations. Just like I came here, you all guys sitting here, you want something, you want to know something. Sir, give you some tips, technique. All right, people, they are facing problem. People, they have pressure, tension. All right, lots of things they are facing. People, they are getting idea. They are looking for ideas. How can I get success? When I come here, I say, please listen, my dear sister and brothers, countrymen. Today, so I tell you, right, a beautiful, amazing, panacea tips and technique by which way you can solve your problem, even also you can enjoy, you can survive your life in this world, in this universe. That's why we are coming here. We are coming here.
Yeah.
So people, they want listen some beautiful tips, technique, ideas. People, they are sitting. You have to deliver. You have to try to solve. People, they are sitting before you. They have lots of question in their mind. Today we are not success. Why? What kind of problem actually we are facing? What kind of blunder, mistake we are making? That's why we are not getting success in our life. Then I am successful people. Yeah, I am great motivator, speaker. I am a politician. I am an educated people. Now I try to convince people, my dear audience, my dear scenario. Actually, today class we tell you many things right now. We tell you such a beautiful ideas, tips and technique by which you can develop, you can get success, even also you can solve your problem. तो लोग आपके सामने बैठे हुए हैं. People, they are sitting before you. You are addressing them. You are giving tips and technique. You are actually convincing them. You are a very great person. Please work hard and try to change your life. I tell you some beautiful tips and technique by which you can develop yourself, you can change your life. This time you are unsuccessful people, but whatever activity, whatever your goal, dream, ambition, please try to work hard. Never ever give up. Work hard, make your entire effort. You can do, my dear friends. This kind of things we are keeping us to public speakers. So that's why people are coming, people are listening you. Why? Because we are a public speaker. Actually, they are solving problem of people. They are solving actually problem of society, country, people. That's why people fan. All right, people want to listen some beautiful message. Actually, guideline. Topic you selected. You are going anywhere. It might be that in the school, colleges. If you are going where thousands of students they are sitting before you, just you have to guide them. My dear sisters and brothers, you all are students. You are future of this country. You are hero, whatever of this nation. This you can become star of this country. But you have to maintain. You have to utilize your time of right direction. Please never ever miss. Never ever spoil. Dawdle actually your time. Utilize your time right direction. Whatever your goal, ambition. Please work hard. Next 5 years if you enjoy in your life. All right, this kind of. So you try to motivate all the youngsters who are sitting before you. If you are delivering, if you are addressing your lecture in the colleges, university, school, colleges, right? So according to the student demand requirement, you try to motivate, you try to inspire, you try to right now encourage them. My dear friends, you are real hero. You are prime minister of this country. You are new pillar of this nation. If you are educated, if you are talented, if you are expert, if you are educated person, right? If you are great influencer, then you can handle well this country. Right? My dear friends, right? My dear sister, don't get nervous, don't get panic. You are a student, you are working hard, it will take time. One day you can learn English, one day you can become a great public speaker. So please work hard continuously. You must have consistency, creativity in your life. One day you can gain, but continue work hard. If you stop, if you end here, if you are facing problem here, if you are facing barriers, crisis, obstacle, problem here, right? So please, insist, persist. Unless you insist, persist, you cannot get your goal. You cannot reach at your destination goal. No, never ever. So you have to insist, persist in your life. You have to promise yourself, I have to work hard, continue. All right. Unless I speak fluently, confidently, I can't miss one day here. I can't stop my effort, my pains, my activity, whatever I am doing here. Continue. You have to do. Then one day you get idea. Public speaking, this is also one kind of art. One kind of what? Which can be learned by speaking, by facing people, by studying, by working hard, by coming here, by joining people, by talking to each other, stranger people, many kind of multiple people. If you are connecting, if you are talking, if you are facing lots of munches, lots of camera, right, then you can become a great public speaker. All right? Are you getting, guys?
Yes, sir.